so here we have a complex equation. Basically, it just has multiple steps, and we have variables on both sides of the equal sign. And I am going to solve this for the variable, which is x, and we're going to also list the properties that we used. So first and foremost, I'm going to draw my river, and then I am going to look and see what property I need to use before I can start solving for x. This right here is the original equation, so this is where we started at. Alright, so I see that we have some parentheses here, so that means I'm first going to have to distribute this -2 to each term inside of the parentheses. So that means I am going to bring down my 3x. -2 times x is going to be -2x. And -2 times 3 is going to be a -6. And I also bring down both my terms over here because I have not used them. So the first thing we did was distributive property. Alright, so the next thing we're going to do is combine like terms. 3x and -2x can be combined. We cannot combine the -6 because it does not have a variable. So 3x minus 2x is just x, is 1x. And then I'm going to bring down my -6 or my -6 and bring down other terms that I did not use. So we combined like terms. Alright, so now I am going to start moving terms from one side of the river to the other side. As usual, I like to keep my variables positive, so I am going to add 2x to both sides. And the reason I'm adding is because 2x was negative. Alright, and I'm going to bring down my 5. X, which is 1x, plus 2x gives us 3x minus 6. Alright, and what we did there was addition property of equality. Alright, and now we are going to do addition property of equality once more. And 5 plus 6 is 11. So I'm going to just put the same thing here. I'm going to just write same. Alright, and then last but not least, I am going to divide both sides by 3. And I'm dividing because 3 is the coefficient with x, and that means multiplication. So the opposite or the inverse is division. And I'm going to leave 11 over 3 as a fraction. You could make it as a decimal, but leaving it as a fraction is fine. So then the last step was the division property of equality. Alright, so it is your turn.